guys, we are back today, and today's video is a makeup video. We have created this makeup look with all Swiss Beauty products, and we had been getting a lot of requests lately on Swiss Beauty and Blue Heaven products to create looks with these budget products, and we have done that. We have created this complete look using only Swiss Beauty products, and I have to say there are a few products from this range which I totally love, and one of my favorites is this lipstick. This is such a beautiful color. Just look at it. It looks so beautiful. It just brightens your face. Even if you've not put any makeup, just this lipstick is good enough. It just brightens your face, and it's pretty moisturizing. It doesn't dry. It hasn't dried my lips till now. So yeah, I do like their eyeshadow. So I use their creamy eyeshadow palette, and I just love the texture and the pigmentation. They are pretty highly pigmented. So I'll just show you. So I use this shade, and I'll just show you how well pigmented it is. So you guys can see this is like pretty well pigmented, and I will show you one more shade. So you guys can see. Look at this, how well pigmented these are. And also I have used their liquid eyeshadows as well. So I have used this shade, which is this one, you guys can see, and the blue one I have already swatched. It is here. So you guys can see these eyeshadows are really well pigmented. So the products which didn't impress me at all are this pen eyeliner. So it's not very smooth, it's not very easily gliding. So you can see, you know, it's not very smooth. I have to like rub it 2-3 times, and I didn't like this highlighter much because it turns your face pink. Yes, so I'll just show you. Okay, my hand has no space left, but yeah, so this is the highlighter, and then I use this brush. One, it's not very easy. Secondly, you can see it turns slightly pink, especially on the face. Especially when I used it on my nose, it was all pink and it looked very funny. So I had to use little concealer to make it look a little neutral. Other than that, the foundation is medium coverage. I will not call it full coverage, but it does gives you a medium coverage. I do like the concealer though. The concealer is good. I used it on my eyes, under eyes, and on the lines, and it is pretty good. And see in the description box, I have added a link of all the products. They are available on Amazon as well as Nykaa, so you can go purchase on either and try it out. I'm pretty impressed for the range they have and the variety they have. They have quite a lot of variety. I think I would say they scored somewhere around 6.57 on 10 for a lot of things, but the lipstick and the eyeshadows is like wow. It's like a wow. So go ahead, check out the video and tell us how you liked it. Swiss Beauty. And this is not a sponsored video. I have actually purchased these products to do a small video for you guys. You can see in the description box I have added a link of all the products. They are available on Amazon as well as Nykaa, so you can go purchase on either and try it out. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel, press the bell button, like our videos, show us lots of love. And we will be doing a makeup video on Blue Heaven as well very soon, as requested by all of you. And if you guys are not following us on Instagram, do follow us. We do post a lot of makeup and fashion clips and videos, so yeah, just follow us on Instagram as well, and stay tuned for the Blue Heaven look as well.